Alam mo ba, switching to EV is easier with the MG4 EV. So today, let me show you the MG4 standard EV here at MG Libis QC. Mapapansin nyo pa lang, sa harap pa lang yung pagiging sporty and modern design niya. LED headlight, LED daytime running light, plus 17-inch alloy for more premium and sporty look. Since EV siya, very smooth and quiet talaga yung driving experience niya. So, pag open natin ng hood, mapapansin nyo na wala na siyang traditional gasoline engine. So, mas less maintenance na siya compare sa gasoline vehicles because wala na siyang engine oil changes and mas konti na lang yung moving parts niya. Cleaner and simpler din yung layout because electric motor and battery system na ang gamit niya. The MG4 standards comes with the 51 kilowatts and around 350 kilometers WLTP range, meaning estimated range siya under mixed city and highway driving conditions. So perfect talaga siya for daily driving and even so long drive. Inside naman, very modern and minimalist yung interior design niya. You get a digital instrument cluster, 10.5-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and rotary selector. Spacious and comfortable din yung cabin feel niya despite a hatchback. Meron din itong MG Pilot safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and emergency braking for added confidence on the road. So if you're planning to switch to a modern electric vehicle, the MG4 standard is worth checking out. Visit us here at MG Libis QC and see the unit personally. Huwag mahihiya magtanong. Again, this is Alexis Cruz, your MG sales consultant. God bless. Thank you.